Are you torn between Mintlify and Gitbook? You're not alone. Today, we'll compare these two popular tools to help you decide which one is right for you. Both Mintlify and Gitbook are designed for documentation. They help teams create, share, and manage their knowledge in one place. But they each have their unique features and strengths. Let's start with Mintlify. This tool focuses on making documentation easy and beautiful. It offers a clean interface and templates that help you get started quickly. Mintlify also allows for real-time collaboration so your team can work together seamlessly. Plus, it has built-in SEO features to help your content reach a wider audience. Now, let's talk about Gitbook. Gitbook is a powerful platform for creating documentation and wikis. It's known for its flexibility and integration options. You can connect it with other tools your team already uses. Gitbook also supports Markdown, which makes it easy for developers to write and edit content. Now, what are the key differences? Mintlify is more focused on design and user experience. It's great for teams that want a polished look. On the other hand, Gitbook is more about functionality and integrations, making it ideal for tech savvy teams. When it comes to features, Mintlify shines with its templates and SEO tools. Gitbook stands out with its Markdown support and extensive integrations. Both tools offer collaboration features, but they cater to different needs. In terms of pricing, Mintlify offers various plans that scale with your team size. Gitbook also has tiered pricing, which can fit different budgets. So, who should choose what? If you want a visually appealing and easy to use tool, go for Mintlify. If you need flexibility and powerful integrations, Gitbook is the better choice. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more content like this.